Hi, my name is Rebecca. I'm here at the I See My Baby 2024 retreat conference. My expectations coming here, I didn't really have any. I was just like more so, okay, this is a retreat. We're going to work through things and there's going to be breakthroughs. And ideally, when we think of the word retreat, we think about pulling back. We think about withdrawing and just holding things in or moving from the norm that we have outside of the world. So coming here and actually experiencing that changed it to a whole different dynamic, right? So now, not only did I withdraw and come back and come to a space that was safe and open for women to communicate and be themselves and be able to release, I also came and received a lot to take home. I've actually had breakthroughs and experienced things that, or thought about things that kind of get me through my daily life, and started thinking more about journaling and investing more in myself, setting boundaries and expectations for myself when I go back to the real world. So it was very helpful and beneficial for me, and I look forward to seeing you guys in 2025.